Hi, it's Dan from Fret Success here, and I'm going to take you through the D flat major 7. The D flat major 7 of this version is all down this end of the guitar. So I'll play through the chord that you're going to do first. As you can see, it's quite a nice chord with quite a crazy harmony going on there. So we'll go through the notes. So let's start from the beginning. So what you want to do is put a bar across, well, technically the first 3 notes there from the bottom, but you can probably get away with doing all 4 because we're going to add on notes here and it just might make it a bit easier to play. So try it with the 3 first of all, and then what you want to do is put your 3rd finger there on the 3rd fret on that D string, and then the 4th finger will sit nicely on top on the A string on the next fret along on the 4th fret. You want to miss the top string because that doesn't work with the D flat, it'll make it sound all horrible and clashy. So playing from that A string, which is the D flat note, we get this sound, which is a nice jazzy little chord. So the notes in this are D flat, F, A flat and C, and the reason behind that is we're playing the D major chord but we're essentially adding a major 7th to it, which is quite easy because that's implied in the title, D flat major 7. I hope that's been useful. Head to the Fret Success Academy on the Fret Success website and join for free, and I'll see you in the next video.